Hello everyone, I'm Bobby and this is how to replace the sun visor clips on your 2004 Mazda MPV. Okay, so this is just going to be a real quick video on this pretty common issue. If you have a Mazda MPV, like I said, this is a 2004. If you got something similar, you're probably going to run into this issue where the sun visor clip, the clip that's supposed to hold this guy up here out of the way, has broken. So we had it on both of ours actually. This one actually broke off completely, and then the other one, the clip part is still there, but the little, I guess the snap mechanism has busted, so it doesn't stay in like it should. I procrastinated forever because I was like, oh, it's probably going to be a pain to get them and to take them out and put them back in. I wasn't sure how to do it. But I went ahead and ordered them. Go on Rock Auto, rockauto.com. I don't get any commission or anything, but they're like $3, $2.50, something like that for these. So, you know, for $5, $6, I think it was like $7 or $8 with shipping. So less than $10. They'll ship it to you within a few days. You'll have the parts and swap this out super easy. And basically on the sides here, you can see there are those little tabs. There's one on each side. That's the painful, annoying part. Painful if you hurt yourself, annoying otherwise. And you just get a flathead, shove it in there, and then kind of wedge it down. The annoying part is that you have to do it on both sides at the same time, or like get one side down and then hold it in place while you get the other side down. So I can't do it one-handed, but essentially that's what you need to do. And again, here is kind of what it looks like. It's got these little, let me focus on that. It's got these little bumps that hold it into the metal of the roof there. So on the tabs, you're just pushing these. You can try pushing them down, but really you need to push them in. So you get the flathead, just push it there on top, and then you can pull it down. So you can try doing both of them at the same time or do one at a time and kind of wedge them out. So I'm going to pull this out and then just pop the new ones in. And I'll get the video once I get that one out. Alright, so we're back. Like I said, it only takes a couple seconds. Came in on one side, pulled it down, held it in one place with one hand while I got the screwdriver on the other hand, pushed that side in, and then just pulled the whole thing down. These are the new ones. The color is not an exact match, but whatever, I do not care because the part fits and boom, baby. It's not sitting there anymore, hanging down in my face. And again, like I said, these are like $3, not even $3 on Rock Auto. So no commissions or affiliates or whatever, but Rock Auto is awesome for all your car part needs, pretty much. So go check them out. Get yourself some parts. Stop procrastinating. Just go get it done. Seriously, it's going to take you like 5 minutes. $10. Go order the parts right now. You know you need to. You can do it yourself. You just need a flathead screwdriver. Go get it done.